when we will be coming together in October 3, I emphasize that teachers should feel valued and appreciated in their work. It is life that provides the cup, but we choose how to fill it. Ang kinabuhi mo na tasa, kita mo puno sa tasa. Today is National Teachers Day in our own locality. Let's work at filling our cups and to fill our cups with thankfulness because we are here as teachers, because we have been chosen to be part of this profession. Mga pinili ta, maunang, let us also choose what we fill in our cup. Let us be thankful. Let us be joyful. Kaya ang taong mapasalamaton, malipayon. Correct? O, nadawat na ninyo yung 1K? O, ganina nihingan kong iking. Ready na sir, naana sa ilang ATM account. You're 1,000 richer today. Let's fill our work with affirmation, with resilience. Kabalo ko nga, di mo matarot. Mura mo mga kawayan na bahalag kuso-kusoon. Pwede mo higda, pero mubangon radya kong balik. That resilience that we have. And I thank you for that. We thank ourselves for being resilient despite a lot of challenges that we have in our department. And that let's continue to be gentle and kind also to all our learners whom we need to love and to serve. Kay ningunta sa DepEd gihunan ang edukasyon di kalidad malipayon natong ialaga. And for every learner, we rise. Salamat.
For Orlando Cadano has so much in store for us in 2026. And we are starting to coordinate para magka-align po sa among programs in the local government unit. And rest assured that Mayor Mikoy is always here to support whatever endeavors you have in the Department of Education. And to all the teachers, our modern heroes, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much for all your sacrifices. Dili galim ang mga maestra, ang trabaho sa mga maestra, especially dili punta ng bungutan sa Manako, naapoy mo pang medyo buluyagon, but you extended your patience, and trying your best to mold better leaders in the future. Again, daghang kayong salamat, and let's enjoy the rest of the day.